In this video, we will look at why extra line spacing can appear in signatures when replying to emails in a mail client, and how to resolve this issue. This issue occurs when the mail client adds its own line height values to the email signature, causing double line spacing. To resolve this issue, we recommend setting your line height value to 2 points higher than your font size. To change your line height, open your signature template in the Signature Designer. Select the outermost layer of the signature to incorporate all of the template elements. In the Properties pane, the font size and line height values are found in the Text properties. Ensure your font size and line height values are set to be entered in points, pt. Then enter a line height value. We recommend the value be 2 points higher than your font size. Select Save Changes to save your signature template.